what they're doing over there. These, oh, they're pushing barges. And then way down there, they're excavating. This is the Tom Sawyer RV Park. Just outside of Tennessee, Memphis, Tennessee. And we came over the bridge, and welcome to Arkansas. This is West Memphis, Arkansas. And I saw the sign and I had enough of driving, so we came here. Right on the river. When I pulled up, it had to have 30 envelopes of people that were already reserved, and I didn't have a reservation, but I got a spot. But this is definitely a popular stop-off point. Although I don't know where everyone's going. Maybe Florida? A lot of the rigs are from Texas. I've seen Alberta, kind of a mix of everything. And that over there, that building is a laundry, and it's free. So I've been washing everything. Just here for one night. Go. Good?
You brought that rain with you, didn't you?
Yeah.
I was going to show you where everything was at. Sewer's right there. Electric's going to be the gray box far side. Water's right here.
Perfect.
There's an area across the street you can walk a dog. You can walk him anywhere, but got a grassy area over there.
Okay.
Also, where you registered in there, there's a bathroom code. Go to our restroom right down here on the right hand side of the road.
Okay.
Great block building. You need to take a picture of that code if you need to use our restroom to get in the door.
Okay.
In the morning, right out that way.
Perfect. Thank you.
Have a good evening.
You too. We're still in Arkansas. This is where we stayed last night. JB's RV Park and Campground. We're in like southwest Arkansas, about another hour and a half and we'll be in Texas. That's all we're gonna do today. And we'll stay in Texarkana. Nice in here with the trees. Not far from the highway. Rained all night. We'll be in Texas for a while, probably over a week, I think, crossing it.